Welcome everybody. We are given this question. What are all the two digits positive integer in which the difference between the integer and the product of its digit is 12? So let me give you this illustration. Say for example we take a number, say 24. So what they want is they want to know a number, a two-digit number, something of this fashion, such that the difference between the number and its product, right, say 2 times 4, this should be equal to 12. This is what is the requirement. Now in this case, clearly 24 I get on this side, 4 times 2 is 8, and this is not going to be giving me a value of 12. This is going to give me 16. So this is not the required number. So how are we going to do this question? How are we going to get the required number for this question? Now you can pause the video and think for a few minutes. So if you have got the solution, then you can place it in the comment section. Let me handle this question in this fashion. Let the two-digit number be of the form, say 10 times a positive b. This is a two-digit number where a and b are the digits. Fair enough, right? Now we are looking for something of this fashion. What is that? The number minus its product should be equal to 12. This is what is required. Now let me rewrite this as 10 times a negative ab positive b is equal to 12. I'm going to take a out. If I take a out, I will get 10 negative b positive b is equal to 12. This is what I'll get. Now I want to push this b to the other end, so that's going to be 12 negative b. On the left side it's going to be a times 10 negative b. So from here a is equal to 12 negative b divided by 10 negative b. This is what I've got. Now I can very well rewrite this by simple algebra as follows. So a is equal to 1 positive 2 over 10 negative b. On the left side I got a. So this is always possible. So because if you were to take LCM as 10 negative b, you would get 10 negative b positive 2. You add, you get 12 negative b divided by the denominator. So this is always possible. Now just observe the denominator. Now this is positive. 10 negative b is always positive. Now why is it positive? Because b is the unit digit, right? Check the number. So this is the unit digit, so this will always be a positive quantity. Now apart from being positive, 10 negative b should divide 2. Now why should it divide 2? Because we are looking, what does the question says? We are looking for two-digit integers, right? If it doesn't divide 2, then we are not dealing with the required, or I should say we are not dealing with what is expected from the question. So 10 negative b should divide 2. Now what is the possibility for 10 negative b to be, if it has to divide 2? Then the possibilities for such division to occur, what should be the value of b? 10 negative b, let me write it, 10 negative b should be equal to 2, or 10 negative b should be equal to 1. Now this would mean b should be equal to 9 in this case, because you can clearly see if 10 negative b should be equal to 1, then it can divide 2. For that to occur, b should be equal to 9. From here b should be equal to 8, right? Because 10 negative 8 will give me 2, and 2 can divide 2. Fine. Now let's start off like this. When say b is equal to 8, what happens? When b is equal to 8, we will have to get the value of a. So that means a is equal to 12 negative 8, right? 12 negative 8 is 4, 10 negative 8 is 2, 2 divides 4 2 times. So a is equal to 2. Therefore a is equal to 2. So this means 10 times a positive b is equal to 10 times of 2 positive 8 is 20 positive 8 is equal to 28. 28 is a number. So is this really the number? Let's check it out. 28 minus 2 times 8 should be equal to 12. So this is 28 minus 8 times 2 is 16 is indeed equal to 12. That's fine. So this is the solution, one of the solutions. Now let's check for the next value when b is equal to 9. So when b is equal to 9, what happens? A is equal to 12 negative 9 divided by 10 negative 9. This is going to be 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Therefore the value of a is equal to 3. Now if a is equal to 3, what happens? Let's check it out. So 10 times a plus b is equal to 10 times of 3 plus b is equal to 30 plus 9 is equal to 39. So let's check that out. 39 negative 3 times of 9 should be equal to 12. This is 39, 27. 39 minus 27 to 112. This is clear. This is correct. So this is a beautiful question, students, to stir up your imagination, and I hope you benefit from this. Thank you.